Assalamu alaikum. This is Muhammad Shahin Alam sir. How are you? Good morning, everyone. Today I came in front of you with a new video. We are search job from the job market, and for this reason we have to submit our CV or resume. When the CV and resume is attractive, then it creates more attention of the authority of the uh, job provider. So we have to submit a attractive CV to draw attention of job provider. How we can create a CV or resume attractively? Today I will show you. For this reason, at first we have to open Microsoft Word. So I click Start Program and open. I see Microsoft Word is here. I click and I see a blank document, blue sphere, welcome to, and many other template. Sometimes the templates does not appear here. So for this reason, we have to go at first file. Here we can see a file. I am clicking file and then new. Here I see new. I am clicking new and then I see blank document and in the prior template here sometimes the template is not appear here. So for this reason at first we have to click file then new and uh, we click any kinds of template here. We are accustomed to create CV from blank document, but another strategy to create CV from template. Today I will show that is the technique. Just I am clicking first template, then that is open here. Here the written is first name, surname. Just I can rewrite my name. Suppose I am write my name MD Shahin Alam. Surname. Note it here. Write the surname Shahin Alam. Okay, then we have to write that recipient state address, uh, whom I will send this CV. That is, dear subtraction I can use here, and I also written down here the application, your address, your phone, your email, your website, and many kinds of activities we can write down. And we can also choose uh, from our file of our picture. For this reason we have to at first delete that is picture, and we have to choose our picture from insert picture, insert, click picture, then we have to choose our file where our picture is kept. I am clicking new volume D and new folder. So I assume that one picture is here. Here my picture, insert here, that is my picture. We can also save this picture. Suppose If I click the shape, then my picture here, and we can uh, enlarge it. That way we can also set up here your picture. Okay, you can resize here. Another, if we see, there are lots of template. I am going another template. Just I am clicking this template, and then I will click create. Another template is appear here. Just we have to written down our name, first name, last name. Here we can, if we can write the name, my name, MD Shahin Alam. Address, you can write down your address. Experience, in prior experience, education level, skills, activities of your qualification, your education and skills and experience you can write here. Then it will be very lucrative and attractive to the job holder, job provider. So just I am showing you how we can create our CV lucrative and attractive way. Thank you very much who are seeing my video. In the next time I will come with another video. If you like this video, then just you will comment here. And what kinds of video do you prefer? Mention me and I will come with this video. No more today. Keep well. Allah Hafiz.